what's up, people? Okay, yes, I know I look weird. Stop staring at my giant forehead. Yes. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Super easy, simple scene makeup. Alright? Okay, what you will need: face cleanser, deep cleansing face cleanser. I use Clean and Clear, yes. Con swab thingy. Concealer. I use Invisible CoverGirl concealer. Damn it. Oh, I dropped something. Big Great Lash mascara. I think this is Maybelline, maybe? Yeah, it's Maybelline. Where'd it go? Sorry, got it. Whatever these thingies are called, brushes. I use lip stain to give my lips a little bit of color. Oh, damn it! Sorry, I keep dropping shit. And MAC Mineral Skin Finish Natural, which I use the lightest one that they have because I am super light. And for the concealer, same thing. And of course you need eyeliner. I use Sephora. And Sephora, whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. Eyeshadow, yeah. Alright. So I use Sephora. You can read Mysterious Forest, which is not a black. It's like a dark greenish black with sparkles. Because I don't like a flat black, because flat blacks just look kind of like boring to me, I guess. So yeah, just like get some of that on there. You rub it on slowly. Trying not to get too much down here because sometimes it does fall and it's really fucking annoying. So yeah, you rub it on there like that. And use this to take off any excess because sometimes it can trail down and you'll have black smudge, and black smudge does not look good. Ever. You don't want black smudge. And you don't want too much up here, so just like brush some of it away. Alright. And then eyeliner, which is very, very important. Just take it under here, and you're gonna want put a little bit more on this side than over here, because when you put more over here than over here, so it goes bigger, it looks like you have more lashes, like that. It makes you look like you have more eyelashes. There you go. I'm gonna want to get in the corner right here, just because it like connects it better, and it gives that look. Oh, I kind of missed on this side. A little bit more. There you go. You want it to connect. See how I have like more on this side, like right there? Yeah. Because if it doesn't connect, or the thing's not at your waterline like mine is, it's just not gonna look right. And then, okay. You got your concealer, lightest one that they make for me. And then you just put a little bit right there. And wherever else you need it. And you just rub it in. Mascara. Very important. Because with this look, you want to look like you have like big long lashes. Like, I don't know if you can see. Like, yeah. Big long lashes. So yeah. Stick it in there. Yes. You want to pretend like you're having sex with it when you get the thing in there. And then. It's always kind of hard with me for this hand. And then the under part, you're going to want to get it and then again, like before, get the extra stuff away because you don't want like smudge. You never want black smudge. Skin finish. Stupid ass thing keeps falling. We don't need it. Just brush it on. And take out the hair clip. Brush it towards your face like you do with emo hair or whatever, emo scene, skater, whatever. Then you toss it around. Shit. Alright, that would be simple, easy emo makeup. Yeah. Gotta smile for the camera. I look pretty. Like, yeah. See my rings, bitch? This is what happens when you're famous. Do you guys want to see the dead bird that my dogs killed? Alright. I'm gonna show you the bird. Holy fuck, there's ants on it. Oh, that is gross. Yeah. It's gross.